What'd you shut it off for?
I didn't shut it off. I just chose. You just pulled it.
Oh, well maybe you don't pull that one. Go and start it up.
This is. I just key like this.
Okay, turn it on.
This is only speeding it up.
Okay. You forgot to hit your brake.
What?
I said you forgot to hit your brake when you started it. Okay, so Papa's rigged up this brake because Josh's leg is about 2 foot too short. So now he's got his own little brake. Let her go, Josh. What was Papa thinking?